Hi, this is neoprint.com, and today we will be making this paper tank. What you'll need is a sheet of paper, construction paper, and a smaller sheet. This one is for the tube. First, you start by folding it in half. Then cut on that fold. Okay. Then take the first corner, fold it over, do the same on the other side. Then you have an X, you pull in the sides to make it a funnel, and you push it down. Flip it around and repeat. Okay, now right here you pull up the sides, and then you take these sides and you fold them in. Flip it over. Fold over the side that looks like this, and then fold over the side with the triangle. Pinch in the flops of the triangle and put it in. Put down the arms of the other side and flip it down. Take the excess triangle and push it into this little slot. This is the main part of the tank. Now take that smaller sheet of paper, take a piece of tape, and just tape it down. So you have a tube. Then take another sheet of tape, fold it in half so the sticky sides are sticking out, and then just push it in so it's inside of the tube, and stick it down onto the top of the tank. And you're done. If you are interested in seeing more photos or to get the step-by-step instructions for this project, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video to visit our website, neoprint.com. Visit our website to find lots of other paper folding projects and tutorials.